So this time I chose a different type of jewelry. I chose a necklace instead. Yes, my last 2 times I've chosen rings because I like rings, and these are they. But this time I am opening up a necklace, okay? Now, remember, Mother's Day is coming, so you want to be listening to me right now because you are going to like this, okay? So, let's get into it. All right, here is my famous sturdy packaging to protect my pieces. Okay. So as you know, it's going to come with your jewelry care card. If you're gifting it someone, a gifting card, 15% off coupon. And then, you know I say it every time, the main event, yes. All right, so for those of you who are new to SheSaidYes, it is going to come with a jewelry bag. This is just a bag if you want to gift it. You also get ribbon, and once you get your ribbon, you can wrap your box and it will be like this as for gifting, okay? And it took me a little while to wrap this, okay? I did this for y'all. So, here we go. We open up, we have our jewelry in a little plastic pouch to protect your jewelry, maybe from the air, from the elements, I guess, okay? And since it's a necklace, I see that it is wrapped up in here so it won't tangle. So that's a good thing. So let's open this up. I'm excited to have necklaces. All right, so it's actually wrapped around. Oh my God, I can't wait. I can't wait, guys. Oh, so they have it so it won't tangle at all. I like that. They have the chain hanging out and then your gemstones are in here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up so you can see, so I can see. Let's get into this. Again, Mother's Day is coming. You want to be thinking of things, getting ideas, and that's why I'm here. Okay. All right, so here it is. Look at that. That is beautiful. So this is called Toi et moi. Toi et moi, which literally means me and you. So that's why you have the 2 stones there. That's why you have the 2 stones to represent you and that other important person or the person you're giving this to, okay? So I want to put this on. Actually, give me a second. All right, so I'm not putting it on yet. I want to show you the stones. All right, so this is the Pear Poem Radiant Cut Toi et Moi necklace. So the first thing you notice is these 2 stones. They just stand out immediately and they're side by side. That could be, you know, reminiscent or symbolic for something, you and that person. And I love that it's not perfectly matching, and that's the point. I picked 2 colors that I liked. So one is a blue gemstone and then the other is this yellow stone. I just like that these colors are kind of springy. Then I have my gold chain. It's really delicate. It doesn't feel cheap and it has a nice shine without looking too flashy. I really like that. So now that you've seen that, now I'm gonna put it on. And here it is. Now I actually love how this looks. This is definitely one of those necklaces that elevates any outfit. You can wear it to brunch, dinner, church, night out, anything, work. So I love that it's a bit feminine. Again, I love the colors of the gemstones I chose. Now, if you are looking for a nice simple gift for somebody, honestly, it's just something thoughtful, or for yourself, you would love a simple, what I call minimalistic piece of jewelry. Now, one caveat, putting this on with a tiny clasp, that is difficult, especially when you have nails. It was a struggle trying to put this on by myself. I had to get myself to help me. But again, just if it was a magnetic clasp or something easier, because we know everybody got nails. That would make it even better, even better. Again, I love the look, but we're gonna have to think about ladies today, okay? I need something magnetic. Simple, okay? However, okay guys, that's it. This is my new jewelry piece. Now, I'm gonna leave my code and I'm gonna leave a link so that you can check out some of SheSaidYes' jewelry. And again, go find yourself something nice or go get mama something nice. Okay? All right.